wanna learn how to use the credit card, just go and try one credit card first. Before you get several type of credit card, get one credit card. How can you get your first credit card? You can go to the bank where you used to deposit your money and apply for a credit card. Also, your parents, your auntie, your friend can sign you a credit card. I'm not sure about it, but you can look or check with the banks, or you can call the lenders. Also, there is always mails which are sent to your mailbox or to you wherever you live. You can see always there is a mails which is like a commercial or advertisements where you can call the number and apply for a credit card. How do I get my credit card? I paid to the bank $300 and I was issued my first credit card. I used that credit card for 6 months, and later on I was issued a credit card with no limit. That's how I got my first credit card, and I learned how to use the credit card.